In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Zoom with HubSpot if you want your meetings and contact activity to work more smoothly together. Connecting these two platforms is a great place to start. The process is quick and straightforward, and once it's done, it can make scheduling and tracking communication much more convenient inside your workflow. To begin, log into your HubSpot account. Make sure you're signed into the correct account or workspace before moving forward, especially if you manage more than one portal. Starting from the right place helps avoid confusion later when the integration is installed. Once you're inside HubSpot, move to the top right corner of the screen and click the Marketplace icon. This is where HubSpot keeps its available integrations, apps, and tools that can be connected to your account. If you've never used it before, think of it as the App Center where you can search for services you want to link with HubSpot. After opening the Marketplace, search for Zoom. You can type it directly into the search bar to find the official integration quickly. When the results appear, look for the correct Zoom app listing so you can continue with the setup. Taking a moment to confirm you've selected the right app is helpful, especially if multiple related results appear. Next, click Install. At this stage, HubSpot will begin the connection process and prompt you to sign in. This sign-in step is important because it allows the two platforms to verify your account and create the integration securely. Enter your Zoom credentials when asked, and review any permission screens carefully before approving access. These permissions are what allow HubSpot and Zoom to share the necessary meeting-related information. As you complete the sign-in process, give the integration a moment to finish connecting. Depending on your browser or security settings, you may see a confirmation screen or be redirected back to HubSpot once everything is successfully linked. That's it. You've now gone through the core process of integrating Zoom with HubSpot. If something doesn't work right away, a good tip is to refresh the page or double-check that you were logged into the correct accounts during setup. It's also helpful to make sure your browser isn't blocking pop-ups, since the sign-in window may open in a separate tab or dialog. With the integration connected, you're ready to continue working with Zoom and HubSpot together in a more streamlined way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.